Alright, welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today we're going to be changing out an attic access. This one here, it's broken and decrepit and missing a lot of hardware in both of the springs. So the first thing we're going to do is take it out, and then we're going to show you how to put a new one in.
Use a Sawzall to cut the nails first, and we'll just drop the access out.
That's how you take it out. Alright, now to secure the new door in place, or to hold it temporarily in place while we secure it with screws, we're going to use a couple of 1x4s. We're going to be positioned here and also here. So we've got to get a measurement outside of the hinge. So from the outside of the metal hinge all the way to this lip is 52.25 inches. So we'll do 52.5 spacing in between these 1x4s. Alright, so we're going to take our first mark at a 1/2 inch from the inside of this board. Have a 1/2 inch lip right here. 1/2 inch lip that the new attic access is going to sit on temporarily while we get all the mounting bolts and screws in. And it's being held in with 2 3-inch screws. You could use 2.5s if you have them. If you use anything shorter, I would recommend using 2 screws on each side. And now we're going to measure 52.5 inches from the inside of this to the inside of our next 1x4. Alright, so now we're going to measure our 52.5 inches. And now it's in there. So if your opening is square, it won't be quite this snug. But we're gonna push up on this side and try to get a pry bar in there to push it down this way about a 1/2 inch. Now you can see that our attic access is sitting on the 1x4 bracing that we put up. Our hole is not square. So you can see that it's got a little more of a gap here, and it's tighter on that side, but that's all right. That is how it sits up there. Now, Joe, if you would, open the access.
There we go, perfect.
You can see that we are not binding on the hinge have a 1x4 and we left a 1/2 inch gap over here. Now that this is open, we're sitting on this side as well. So it's supported on both sides, and this will actually level it at the same time to make it flush with the ceiling. Now we're going to put 2 screws on this end, 2 screws on this end, and probably 3 on each long side. There's some holes in the metal here that I can put some screws through. There we go. So right here. So you don't have to do this, you can just go through the wood, but this is extra secure if you have it available. And then I will also put one in the center. Now, I'll use this hole here to drive a screw. Same thing on this other side. Here. Here. There. That's hard to get to. I'm gonna put it right in here. Alright. This side's not going to grab as much because there's a gap behind there. You can use a 2x4 to fill it if you want to. Alright, now that our attic access is in, we can remove these 2 braces. That we have all of our mounting screws in. We just removed our 2 braces. We will test this out. Closes nicely. At this point, the only thing left to do is to reinstall trim if you have trim around it, and then adjust the length of your handle. This one's already got it pretty well adjusted, so we're going to leave it as is. And that's how you do it. That's how you install an attic access. Thanks for watching.